I never run a marathon before. I'm very excited seeing the crowd and people cheering us.
Make it till the finish, so let's go.
I shouldn't miss it. It's epic.
We support each other, so it gives kind of a confidence.
Every 20-50 meters you see a colleague in the same ASML shirt and you greet each other. It really gives a community feeling. I would have never thought I could do this kind of thing without the team.
I wanted to break my own PB last year, and I succeeded, so I'm very happy.
I survived.
It was a fabulous experience. There was so much energy.
Music, the people screaming.
It's the best time of the year for me, the ASML Marathon.